Hey guys, here doing a PM for this restaurant above the kitchen, working on the IC head. You know, typical kitchen, nice and dusty. But let's go down and get these filters that are meant for these systems. Okay. Alrighty, and these by one filters, which would be for our IC head number 4, which is your indoor controller. Hello, meats. There's slabs of meat briskets. Corner. Alrighty, last job of the day, working on a gas leak. Quote, we just did these replacements for these heat exchangers. I don't know why we didn't do the whole thing, but you know, give customers options. Pretty high ppms in here, but take a look at these gas lines. Black iron pipes, nice and snaky and bendy, huh? But yeah, pretty bad.